Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Kindle App tutorial for beginners. The first thing you want to do right now is, of course, you need to make sure you have the Kindle application on your end. So basically right there, if you're using an Android devices, please follow through and go to your Play Store. On my end, of course, I'm gonna go to the App Store right there, and basically, I'm gonna click on the search bar right here, look for Kindle, and it should be looking like this. That kid right there reading a book, that's Kindle. Now next up, open it up, and just a disclaimer, to access Kindle, you're gonna need an Amazon account. Just create one using your dummy Google account and you'll be good to go. Because you cannot really access this one via Facebook, via Gmail, or via any other account rather than Amazon account. Because once you purchase books here, it will go straightly to your Amazon account as well. So what can you expect here? Right off the bat, you're gonna see books, right? On the upper left section, that's gonna be your notifications icon. Pretty straightforward, it's just gonna notify you if you have new books, new pages to read on the books you have chosen. Lower sections right here gives you three buttons. First one is the home, the one we're currently on right now. Middle one is gonna be the library, where you can choose from all to download it. You can also click on that upper and lower icon to sort everything you have. For example, you wanted to go grid, list, collections, titles could be recent, title, author, or publication date, depending on your liking. Of course, you can have the last one for more. These are gonna be the fun stuff about Kindle. You have your reading challenges, your list, Kindle Unlimited membership, where if I click on that one right there, this of course will show the pricing. Because right now we're using a free trial. Basically for this one, what can you get? You're gonna get those exclusive books in Kindle. You also have your Amazon family sharing here. Settings right there. If you click on it right here, you can click on push notifications, click on Goodreads, and so much more. You can also set up the Wi-Fi only large downloads moving forward. Now let's talk about books here. So the first one is going to be new releases right there. Lower is going to be the Comixology Unlimited. And basically the search bar right there tells you what to search. Just put whatever you want there. So let's try using one book here. I'm going to go for this one right here. So this is The Great Mouse Escape, a word of a wow's tale. So you can download the sample here, an audio sample, or basically get a good book. You can add to lists by clicking this one right there and rate it 1 to 5. You can also share it. If I click on share right there, it will open up my icons right here and share them to my friends and families. In this part right here, you can read more about the book, just a preview, the publication date, the publisher, and the works. You can also change the language here. Make sure it's going to be English. And basically those are the things you need as a beginner in Kindle. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.